YouTube, we are back with another video. Today we're going to be going over Vechain, and we have to talk about the overall market crash because Vechain took a pretty serious dump to the downside. We did swing failure these lows right here, which is looking pretty sexy. We swing failure those lows, came right back up, and yeah, the interesting part about all of this stuff is just how correlated everything is with Bitcoin. I mean, we came down, hit the 886 to the exact absolute dull hair. Let's take a look at this. I think we probably hit the 1.3. Let's see. Yeah. So here we have the 886 and the 1.133. If you guys want to know a little bit more about fibs and what it is that I'm talking about, let me run this really quickly for you guys. So if that sounds good to you guys, make sure you guys go down below this video, hit that like and subscribe button, join us over on Discord, follow me on Twitter, and most importantly, if you guys would like to find out how to make $3,000 in 3 hours like this person here, or like I did right here, which is $300 in just 17 minutes, or the big master trade right here, 4,400%. You go down below this video, you sign up to Bybit using my link right there, and I'll send you my course completely and totally for free as a thank you for signing up. If you already have an account with Bybit or another exchange, that's fine. Just take your crypto, transfer it over to your new account, and start trading, and then let me know once you do that, and I will send you my course for free. And also join us because we're doing live trading over here. Anyways, back to the video. All right, so as you guys can tell, actually I wanted to tell you guys, give you an update. Bybit actually has added tons of coins. We have over 143 pairs over on Bybit now. It's absolutely insane. All of these coins right here you can trade over on Bybit, so that's why you want to get over there. They're starting to take over Binance, and they never go down. During the crash, I know for a fact Binance went down. So yeah, just get over to Bybit. They also have Holochain, One, Matic, Theta, Vechain, ADA, Polkadot, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Atom, anything, Litecoin, Uniswap, Shiba Inu, Doge, they got everything. So just hop over there and let's just start trading some of this stuff. They also have Vechain now. So with that being said, what are we looking at for Vechain? Well, I'm going to talk about Bitcoin right now, and you guys might not like that, but we have to acknowledge the fact that Bitcoin runs the industry. Bitcoin runs the cryptocurrency industry, okay? And so let's go ahead and do this. Look at this. November 8th, I'm gonna prove it to you right now. November 8th and 9th, look at this. You see this? This is the high on Vechain. November 8th, exactly the same exact time, it decides to come down, right? Exact same time. We hit the high. What happens as soon as Bitcoin dumps? We go down, we hit the low, and as soon as we hit this low, that's exactly when Bitcoin put in its low, and now it's doing exactly what Bitcoin is doing. So this whole entire section, whether you like it or not, this whole entire section right here looks exactly like Bitcoin. So this is why you want to do your Bitcoin technical analysis. It's exactly the same thing. You see that? You want to do your Bitcoin technical analysis. Because that's basically going to tell you what's going on here. So let's take a look really quickly at what we've got going on here. All right. So what does this mean? Well, for Bitcoin, what's really, really interesting here is that we did this. If we pull our fib from swing low to swing high, and if you want to know more about fibs, join the Bybit link and let me know, and I'll send you my course completely for free as a thank you. So we came down exactly to the 618, exactly to the 618 and 66, this golden pocket zone right here, right? And if we also look at this fixed range here, we can tell that the point of control is like right about here. So this is a good area right here that we're going to get a nice and sexy bounce from. So the one thing though is that we have to realize is that with every single time Bitcoin has had a dump, what happens? We end up going sideways for a while. Let's take a look at that. And again, this has to do with Vechain because again, we can see here that it's all just following Bitcoin. So we have a dump right here, we go sideways, we come up. We have a dump right here, we go sideways, we come up. This sideways action lasted from September 7th all the way until the 18th. So that's 10 days of sideways. This right here, from the 20th all the way to the 30th. That's 10 days of sideways action. Look at this. This big dump right here. This sideways action went forever. What is this? May 18th to August 5th. I mean, that's insane. And so again, here we can see these dumps right here went sideways for a really long time. So this one right here, sideways. This one right here, sideways. So we have seen that Bitcoin likes to go sideways. So what can we expect? Well, we can expect it to basically go sideways right now based off of the past history. And so what does that mean? We have to make sure that we are setting alerts on Bitcoin, and we're always checking back on a daily basis on Bitcoin. That's why you guys want to stay subscribed to the channel, because we're starting to put up videos again on a regular basis. And so what does that have to do with Vechain? Well, Vechain, dump sideways, dump sideways, dump sideways for a little while, even though there was some volatility here, but this was a super major dump. Dump right here, sideways. So we have to pay attention to that. So what does that mean for Vechain? Well, I would say that there's two options. One, we could head over to Bybit right now, place a couple of long orders for Vechain and play it to the upside and watch Bitcoin. We want to make sure that we're watching Bitcoin for when we want to kind of take profit on that trade, if we're going to do that. So again, head down below and make that happen. So we have two options here. One is that we do end up going sideways. And so we end up coming up to around this area right here on Vechain. You guys can see here this number right here, all the way down to maybe this number right here. So this is a good area to possibly sell, because again, over on Bybit, no matter if the price goes up or down, it doesn't matter. We are going to be able to make more money. We can sell, we can buy, and we make more money regardless of whatever happens, okay? So that's why I'm a trader. I'm not a moon boy or any of this other madness. So these are the areas that we want to kind of look for a possible sell order. So it is possible that we say, hey, right now it's a good buy opportunity because we are coming back up. So we could maybe go ahead and layer some long orders all the way down to here, maybe even get in right now, and we'd be looking to play it up to this. Again, none of this is financial advice. You do whatever you want. This is just me talking about some ideas that I have right now, what I'm looking at. And then once we get here, we're taking profit and then kind of looking at what happens, because we might even want to get into a short on another account and play that down. And then maybe we'll get into some more. So then we can end up getting this sideways action and just start to make money as we're going sideways, okay? So that's going to do it for today's video, giving you guys a plan that I'm looking for the next day or two. So if you guys enjoyed that, make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button. Again, join down below. Join us on Bybit, and then let me know. I'll send you my course completely for free to give you guys some skills if you don't have any on technical analysis, and that's going to be it.